Hi, I'm Jill, and in this video I'm going to explain the difference between voiced and voiceless or unvoiced consonants. What noise does a bee make? That's right, a bee goes buzz. And what is this? That's right, it's a bus. So these two words, buzz and bus, are different at the end sound. So buzz has the z sound at the end, and bus has the s sound at the end. One of these sounds is voiced and one is unvoiced. Buzz, if you put your fingers on your throat when you say buzz, you should feel the vibration. Buzz, buzz. When you say the word bus, bus, you shouldn't feel the vibration for the s sound. Bus, bus, buzz, buzz, bus. Another example of a voiced and a voiceless sound at the end of a word is cats and dogs. One of these has a voiced sound at the end, z, and one has a voiceless sound or an unvoiced sound, s. Which is which? Cats, dogs. That's right. Cats is a voiceless sound. It has a s sound at the end. You don't feel it here. Cats. But dogs finishes with a z sound. You should feel it here. Dogs. Dogs. So to tell if a sound is voiced, we use our voice box and you feel the vibration here. For an unvoiced or voiceless sound, one way to know if you're saying it right is by using a piece of paper. So if you put the paper in front of your mouth when you say a voiceless sound, the paper should move because you're making the sound with air. So the air coming out of your mouth should move the paper. So I've come to a less windy spot to show you this voiceless consonant use of the paper. So when we make a voiceless or unvoiced sound, we're just using the air coming out of our mouth. We're not using our throat. So to exaggerate this and know that we're making the voiceless sound using the air, make the sound with paper in front of your mouth, and the paper should move when you make this sound, like this. So there are 9 voiceless consonants in English. So let me show you with these 9 voiceless consonants. P, t, s, h, f, k, sh, ch, f. So let's just look at 2 words that the only difference is the sound at the beginning, one of which is voiced, one is unvoiced. So big and pig. So big is voiced. So we use our voice box. So the paper shouldn't move very much when I say big. Big, big. Pig, however, is unvoiced. So I use air coming out of my mouth. So when I say pig, the paper should move. Pig, pig. So let's try them together. Big pig, big pig. So you try that one. So sometimes these sounds can be difficult to hear in English, the difference between a voiced and a voiceless sound. So it's just a matter of practicing and practicing that feeling and listening for the sounds. So let's have a little practice of the difference between the voiced sound B and the unvoiced sound P. So we'll go from left to right. You will hear me say 3 words. The first word will either be cup or cub. The second word will either be rope or robe. And the third word will either be park or bark. So if you hear the P sound, you go up. If you hear the B sound, you go down. So for example, if all the sounds were the P sound, I would say cup, rope, park, and we would end up in Darwin. Cup, rope, park gets us to Darwin. So listen carefully to the 3 words and tell me which city we end up in each time. Okay, are you ready? Okay, number 1. Cup, robe, bark. Once more. Cup, robe, bark. So which city are we in? It's Cairns. Okay, another one. Are you ready? Cub, robe, bark. Once more. Cub, robe, bark. Which city are we in? It's Brisbane! How did you go? Could you hear the differences between P and B? It can be difficult, it's just practice. P and B are what we call minimal pairs, these words pig and big. So there's only one difference in the sound in these words, big and pig. So there are a few more videos to practice some different minimal pairs. I'll put the link up here and below this video if you would like to practice some more minimal pairs of confusing sounds. So I hope this video helped you understand the difference between voiced and voiceless consonants. There are videos of all the different phonetic sounds in English, and you can practice the individual sounds by watching those videos. Jill's English Pronunciation Gym has lots more videos to help you practice your English pronunciation. The idea is it's just like an exercise gym, so you go regularly to strengthen your English muscles. Regular practice will help to improve your pronunciation, which in turn will help improve your English listening. So head over to Jill's Gym for a workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.